Let's learn how to make a double half-hitch knot, also known as a clove hitch knot. To tie knots working to the right, I'll take the cord on the far left and hold it towards the right. This will be my holding cord. Then, using the cord next to it as my first working cord, I will start to tie double half-hitch or clove hitch knots around my holding cord. All of the other hanging cords will also be used as working cords, and we are tying one knot per cord. So to tie this knot, we are just taking our working cord under and over our holding cord and then pulling it back towards us through the loop, tightening it up, and repeating this motion one more time. And we don't need to tie this knot super tight. I've noticed that being more gentle when tightening it will create a more even pattern. I'll show you guys how to do this knot slowly one more time before speeding this part of the video up. But as you can see, we're starting to create this line pattern as we go along, which is super useful for a lot of different designs. Using the same holding cord, we're going to start working towards the left. This will create a corner, and how sharp the corner is will depend on how tight we tie our knot. If we leave the knot a bit looser, it will create a more curved corner, and if we tighten it, it will create a more sharp corner. Tying a double half-hitch knot working in the opposite direction is the same idea, but now that we're working to the left, we're going under and over our holding cord, and this time we're pulling it through the loop away from us instead of towards us. Whichever direction you're working in, you don't have to make a straight line if you don't want to. If you want your line to be more curved, about halfway through your line, start to leave a little bit more slack in your knots and start holding your holding cord at more of a downward angle. So in this part of the video, I'm showing you how I make my lines more curved. And that's how it's done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more macrame tutorials.